Early in the morning, Big Diam, a local villager, began his routine work of checking the water supply equipment. As an employee of the Chinese construction company CGCOC Group, Diam is responsible for maintaining the new drilled well in his village. The well, part of the Chinese-funded rural well drilling project in Senegal, has brought significant changes to local people's lives. In Africa, access to fresh water is a big problem. Freshwater resources are unevenly distributed with a shortage of safe and reliable water supply facilities. Senegal, the westernmost country on the African continent, has long been plagued by water problem. The country's north is close to the Sahara Desert. Its central and eastern regions are mostly semi-desert regions. In villages far from cities, water supply equipment was poor and dilapidated. Residents often could not get access to clean and safe water. That's how it was in Balin village. The village had only one well. Residents had to wait in line to fetch water, starting from dawn up till midnight.
Auparavant, ça a été tellement difficile parce qu'ils n'avaient que les puits. C'est de l'eau potable, mais il n'y avait pas d'entretien.
Robinet bi am ci teen bi lan doon wëgg ci lan doon fanaan di napp muy jeex ñuy tappaatu manqué woon nañ ndox trop nga wax dëgg ba forage bi ñeeg léegi moom fajar laa ñëw fi balaa maa ñibbi gée dina jot.
ndax fee lañ doon jóge di rooti ci teen yi wala ñu jóge fa di rooti ci robinet yi kër yàlla mais bi forage bi ñëwee ba léegi daal macha allah.
In 2015, at the Johannesburg summit of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, Chinese President Xi Jinping announced China will carry out 10 major plans in the next 3 years to boost its cooperation with Africa. In September 2016, Senegalese President Macky Sall, as a leader of guest country, arrived in China's Hangzhou for the G20 summit. As Xi and Sall met, they agreed on the rural water supply project as one of the measures for implementing the 10 major plans. The rural well drilling project officially began in Senegal on March 5, 2017, bringing hope to millions of locals struggling with water shortage. In July of the next year, on the eve of his state visit to Senegal, President Xi published a signed article titled Sunu Japo, China and Senegal on the mainstream Senegalese newspaper Le Soleil. The article reads, the rural water supply project that includes 251 wells and 1,800-kilometer pipelines funded by China will benefit 1/7 of Senegal's population.
Ces projets sont l'expression de notre solidarité et de notre coopération agissante. Je me rappelle qu'au début, quand on parlait de la coopération avec la Chine, on parlait des hôpitaux, des dispensaires, des forages dans le monde rural.
The rural well drilling project covers 12 of the 14 regions of the country. Each water supply system of the project consists of wells, water towers, pipes, and distribution facilities with a maximum daily water supply capacity of 80,000 cubic meters. The project also created jobs for more than 3,000 local people, including Diam. Diam also saw how hard it was to drill the wells. The workers sometimes had to spend more than 1 week to find a proper location for drilling.
在非洲开展打井项目是非常艰难的，打井项目地点多在农村，这里的地质情况是很复杂的，水位也很深。
Notre énorme difficulté, c'est que c'est les rues quoi. Pendant la saison de pluie, on a des énormes difficultés pour pouvoir faire des constructions dans le village parce qu'on n'a pas vraiment de route.
September 20th, 2018 was a big day for Balin village as the residents witnessed the completion of the new well. In March 2021, the water supply project passed the acceptance check by the Senegalese government.
今年3月份，打井供水工程已经完全移交给了塞内加尔政府。现在当地村民能够喝上干净充足的饮用水，农业和畜牧业的用水也能够得到保障。
Nous remercions vraiment le gouvernement chinois qui nous a apporté ces forages de bonheur. Vraiment, c'est des forages de bonheur parce qu'auparavant, ça a été difficile. Des sincères remerciements au peuple chinois plus particulièrement qui nous sait vraiment faire ces bonheurs-là. On remercie vraiment l'initiative Ceinture et la route.
ci satisfaction bi nga xamante ne ni am nañ ko ci forage bi.
Since the well was completed, Guillaume has been fulfilling his responsibilities every day as a well coordinator.
Nous voulons vraiment continuer l'amitié qui est entre le Sénégal et la Chine, puisque nous voulons construire une très bonne future entre nous et nos enfants. Donc ça, pour qu'on puisse le faire, il faut qu'on essaye de comprendre le chinois, d'apprendre pour pouvoir parler chinois et essayer de travailler avec les Chinois. Parce que avec la Chine, pour pouvoir augmenter encore l'amitié qui est entre le Sénégal et la Chine.
我愿郑重重申，中国永远不会忘记非洲国家的深情厚谊，将继续秉持真实亲诚理念和正确义理观，同非洲朋友一道，让中非友好合作精神代代相传，发扬光大。